Next, four vertices of a parallelogram taken in the order -3, -1, A, B, 3, 3 and 4, 3. What will be the ratio of A and B? Here, these are the vertices A, B, C, D, and these are taken in order. Okay. So we want the ratio of A is to B. So this is a parallelogram. So the these diagonals will bisect each other. So that's why OB will be equal to OD and OA will be equal to OC. Okay. Coordinates of O should be same for AC and BD, right? AC and BD. Coordinates of A should be same as the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So by midpoint formula, midpoint AC means for AC. Midpoint is what? X1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. So take it for A and B. A and C basically. -3 plus 3 upon 2 and -1 plus 3 upon 2. Right? This A, this C. X1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Right? So that is the midpoint of AC. But what is that given? That should be equal to the midpoint of BD also, because midpoint is same. So A plus 4 upon 2 and B plus 3 upon 2. So solve these, both of these. 0, 1, right? 0 comma 1 equals to A plus 4 upon 2 and B plus 3 upon 2. Therefore A plus 4 upon 2 equals to 0. Therefore A plus 4 equals to 0. Right? Getting this point here. These x coordinate and x coordinate, that will be same. Y coordinate will be same. Therefore x coordinate means a plus 4 upon 2 and here it is 0. So a plus 4 upon 2 equals to 0, a plus 4 equals to 0, a equals to -4. Similarly b plus 3 upon 2 equals to 1. Therefore solve this. 2 on this side and 3 on this side again. So 2 minus 3 is 1, -1. So b equals to -1. Therefore a upon b equals to -4 by -1. That is 4. That is the required answer. Okay. Next, find the area of the quadrilateral, the coordinates of whose angular points taken in order are 1, 1, 3, 4, 5 minus 2 and 4 minus 7. So take it in order: 1, 1, 3, 4, 5 minus 2 and 4 minus 7. Even if you don't draw this quadrants, it's okay. So this figure is not to scale. What is given? Area of the quadrilateral. Okay. We don't know it's rectangle or trapezium or square or whatever it is. So we can't take any formula for the area. What we have to do is area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD.